Hi there, my name's James Sawyer, Partner Solutions Consultant here at LastPass. Welcome to this micro demonstration focused on the LastPass and user experience. In this episode, we're going to look into dark web monitoring and the security dashboard. Let's get started. So as you can see, I'm on the security dashboard within my LastPass user's vault. Now you're going to see here a security score. This is put together based off of the types of passwords you're using, whether or not you're using repetitive passwords, if you're using more complicated passwords, and it will give you a score based on that. So you can actually view any passwords that might be considered at risk. Now, at risk, it's not an emergency. It doesn't mean that your credentials were breached or anything, but it's just that it's a weak password or a reused password, and you should log in and look into it immediately. So if I clicked on View Passwords, I can see a list of all of my passwords and see the reason why they're classified as such and what their strength percentage is. So in this case, this is a weak and reused password, so I should change it. And when you do change it, I highly recommend using the LastPass password generator, which we've covered in a previous video. Very, very cool and easy to access either here on the site directly or from the extension up here. Now, back in the security dashboard, the other thing you'll notice is the dark web monitoring. Any of the credentials that you log in with, so anything that's set up as passwords in here, usually have an email address as the username. So any of those email addresses will be added to this list, and you can come in here and activate the monitoring. So if ever this email address got leaked out, I would get an alert in here letting me know where it was leaked out, and would likely advise me what the account is so that I can go and update those passwords and ensure that bad actors don't do any nefarious things with that access. So I highly recommend whenever you see that kind of alert, and you don't just get the alert in here, you also will receive an email warning you. Just go in anywhere that's using those credentials and make sure that you've updated to a complicated password, ideally using that password generator. Well, that brings us to the end of this micro demonstration. In this episode, we've shown you how to use the dark web monitoring tool and security dashboard to keep track of your password hygiene, identify risky passwords, and continuously monitor your vault for any credentials that might have inadvertently been exposed to the dark web. Please watch our other micro demonstrations on the various features that are included in the LastPass business plan. This is James Sawyer. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.